good morning. I hope you're having an amazing day. I am here at the KOA Campground in it's technically Desert Hot Springs, but they call it the Palm Springs Joshua Tree. There's a lot of clouds. It's very windy today. It's only about 11 o'clock. I'm waiting. It's been about an hour and a half, maybe. My video is still uploading for today. It's Saturday, so hopefully it'll go up before midnight. That's the goal anyway. Not the best internet here, but you know, it's working. It's working enough. I did a couple reels, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen those. I try to post almost every day. It just depends on what's going on. Oh, life, life. But I love this campground. It's one of my favorite. I was going to go on a hike or go up to the aerial tram that Letty and I did a couple of years ago. It was like 3 years ago, 4 years. And, but it looks very cloudy and coldy up there. And it's a little chilly down here, so I can't imagine what it is up there. So that's a no. There were some other trails, and I'm thinking with this cloud cover and breeze, I could probably do that this afternoon, but really want a hamburger from the place that we went to. It's literally just down the street. So, and I don't like to hike after I've had like something big to eat. So, just kind of waiting and seeing what it's going to be like. It is like crazy windy here. I put some extra stakes in the ground on my pop-up, so I'm hoping it holds. Kind of thinking I need to take the shade thing down because it's like pulling it, so I'll probably do that. So this KOA it's really, really nice. So my setup has the electricity and water, and it's a pretty wide space to be able to set up like your tent or even two tents and put two cars. It's very generous area. See some people across the way, and they have two good sized tents, and then they have two cars usually over there. And then they also have these really nice canopy, like glamping tents, I should say. And then they also have these really nice cabins, which are similar to what I stayed at with my grandkids in Ventura, the Ventura area, which is another area in California, Southern California. It's got a little putting green. Then it has this really great play area with the play set and then this bouncing thing for the kids. There's also a really nice swimming pool and some hot tubs. There's a cafe that's open for breakfast and lunch on most days. And then it's got this canine area, so that's pretty cool too. And a helicopter. It's like circling. Anyway, it's a really nice, it's a small campground. It's not super huge, but it has some pretty good, what KOA is, known for, just like great family friendly type areas, has great RV spaces. If you do car camp, they have you do a RV space or a trailer space. So, I mean, I could have slept in my car if I wanted to, but I'd rather not have to unload everything. So I just slept in the tent and it was fine. It didn't get really cold last night. There's really great restrooms with showers, and there's a laundry area. So there's pretty much a little bit of everything. They have these gates that are manned and you have to have a code to get in and out if it's super late. Otherwise, last night when I was coming back from my friend who lives in Palm Springs, she, the guy at the front, it was like about 9 o'clock. Was it about 9 o'clock? Maybe like 8:30. And he was there at the gate, and he just opened up the gate, and as soon as I showed him my little hanging thing that shows that, I have a space here. So a really great little campground. And, it just depends. Palm Springs is one of those areas where you don't know if it's going to be like this, really pretty, good breeze, or like at this time 3 years ago, it was very warm, very warm. So it's just hit and miss. You just never know. But it's really pretty today, and I'm really loving taking advantage of it, considering the hike I did yesterday. Was that yesterday? Or the day before? Oh my God, that 49 Palms hike was so great, but it is very, I'm in the desert, so I'm not surprised by how it looked. It's just a lot of steps, I think, is what it was. So it's very hard on my knee, and that can get the best of me sometimes. So anyway. Alrighty, well, I think this is still uploading, but I think what I'm going to do is just lock it up and let it keep going, and I'm going to go get me a burger, since I've been really good about eating all my food in the back of my car in the ice chest.